Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.